or 6. Usually 6 to 7:30. 200 points.
What do we got? We got the high at the 511s. Lows at the 283s. We got a decent amount of news today. We got Jolt's Jobs at 10 a.m. along with some other stuff. Manufacturing PMI. We got some 945 news. So did you see Life Under Futures was like a 25% off for expert accounts or something? changed my mind. I don't think I can ever get a dog. Can you fucking sit still? I beg, please. It could be a fucking back legs. Okay, or not. Fucking. What? Why are you whining? Okay, you know what? You can have my monkey if you want.
We're continuing upwards.
I haven't even been watching. Alrighty. Ew, we are ripping up. Hey! God, Solana's down now 127.
Put it down there.
Literally by the peak.
Okay. Dude, you've been holding fucking Ethereum for years and you're break even on it.
Actually, I'm down on it.
Literally by the peak.
By the peak, yeah, right. Ethereum's gate. hurts my feelings.
We're not going at here.
Thought you were gonna have another mile to do today. I literally left like directly at 10 o'clock yesterday.
How many miles did you end up getting?
I got my 15. It didn't even take me an hour, but so I guess I started a little bit later. It took me like 54 minutes or something like that.
Get pretty good pace.
Yeah, I was last like half a mile. I pushed it just because I'm like, oh my god, it's like 9:58. I gotta fucking get out of here. But I definitely could have gone faster the whole time. But I was just on a nice leisurely stroll. I was watching some YouTube. I meant to bring this up. I was watching Casey or Casinator, and that was like the kid who just blew like his 20K cash account or whatever.
Yep.
And so he was like working on getting his accounts, like some accounts back. He's like, all right, I'm not ready for cash account. I'm gonna go do prop firms. And what did he do? I'm trying to remember what he had. He got like 5 take profit trader accounts and 5 my fund of future accounts. Or no, not 5 my fund of future. 5 top step accounts. And he's just copy trading them. And then like first day, he's like, oh, or like he had a bad couple days last week with just his 5 top step accounts. He was down like $1,900 or something like that, or $2,600 maybe. But the first day this week, so his take profit trader accounts are brand new, and like first day he makes like $700. Then the next day he makes like $1,000. So literally right as soon as he gets his take profit trader accounts passed, he's got to like $1,700, and I'm just like, damn, these people can all grow their accounts so fast. And then like surely like he's going like a recap of like the whole week or whatever. Then like the next day goes by, and then he's like, oh my god, I fucking lost $1,500 or something like that. And then like the next day blows his accounts. Yeah. I'm like, okay, I just have to keep remembering that. I know it's gonna happen sometimes that they're gonna like just rip right the payouts, but a lot of the time that shit's gonna happen. It's like they don't follow their rules. He's like, even on like Tuesday said that he's like, oh, I think I like might have over traded a little bit or whatever, but you know, still had a good like $1,000 green day or whatever. And I'm like, okay, it works when it works, it works, but it's also gonna come back to haunt you.
I don't really know how he trades.
I don't know how he trades either, honestly. I don't know I don't know what his strategy is. I think it's like kind of loose. Out of like most people we see, I feel like we have like the most rigid like we don't even have a rigid criteria realistic, or I do. I think I have a more rigid one than you. But we have like a rigid like risk and rigid like, all right, I take like fucking 1 to 2 trades max and I'm done.
Yeah.
Like other people are like, oh yeah, I ripped like this many trades, like. And then, like, I was reading the comments, and people were like, oh, like, we all know the feeling of going on tilt, and this is like, honestly, I don't even think I've been on tilt, like, in a PA account. I think the biggest time I went on tilt was when I didn't pass my Apex evals by, like, fucking $6 and then blew them. I'm like, and I feel like before that, I never even like it never even happened. Even when I was like beginning, I feel like I wasn't like over trading or like obviously I was over leveraged, like trading like fucking stock options. But I don't know, like I feel like I never really had the problem of going on full tilt and like absolutely degenning and just blowing through accounts for no reason. Hey, I saw some other lady in like some short. She was talking. She was like getting interviewed by some guy, and then she was talking about when she went on tilt, and she was like $7,000 in profit, and needed like one more green day for a payout. I think. I think she said she needed one more green, but she was up like $600, and then like her husband came into the room, and then she like got distracted, and then she looked, and she was like down 600, or like the trade like ended up pulling back, and she like was down like $600, and then like she just ended the day. She blew all 7 grand of the profit she was up. I'm like, how does that happen? Like, how do you just like do good for like months and then like one day like one thing happens and you're like, I am ruining everything. It's kind of a
I was gonna say if this starts pushing up,
only
tell
problem is there's
investors I play.
news at 9:45. A final manufacturing PMI. It's orange folder. We have one orange folder at 9:45, and then 10 o'clock we have two red folder, one orange folder, one yellow folder.
Usually when there's news at like 9:45 and 10, the 9:45 one doesn't affect it as much, and then the 10 one is the one that I feel like it like uses both of them.
Yeah, that's true. Elite level crash out. What's up? How goes it? Trader backtest. How we doing today? Have you ever had any like full blown tilt sessions or no? I'm curious. Curious if other people have.
I definitely have in the. I think I maybe have in the beginning.
Really? I don't even remember like ever being like straight. Like I've definitely been like a degenerate and like
Yeah, but that was back
taken
when
some
I was
trades
like,
when I haven't. But I've been trading since 2019. I've had many. I gotcha. Are you profitable? If you've been trading since 2019, what is that? That's like 6 years. Did you get in on that push up?
I'm about to get in on this push up. It goes.
1 minute till news. Just let you know.
Yeah, I was hoping it was just up.
Look decent though. We'll see if this even does anything. I should have got in right there. How goes it, Tyrone? I know you've gone on tilt before. I was asking Trader Backtest if he had, or we were talking about it before he got on, but I was talking about I don't see like people act like they go on tilt like once a week, or like they act like it's so common to go on tilt. I just feel like it's not the case. But for you, I could see it.
There we go. There's the bug.
Yes, I have a few times. No, I'm shocked.
This thing's not gonna get wiki.
Yeah, it would be a little stressed out if I was in this right now. Strictly because that would be for a payout right there. Me versus Johnny, who wins? I would have to say Johnny.
For what?
I think trading. Based on what I've heard from you, Johnny's got a little bit more discipline than you, and he just won his trade. Damn. All right, that would have been my fucking payout right there. I said.
Well, that was a stressful one.
I have to agree.
No, you definitely have more discipline than I do.
Who? Tyrone?
No, you do.
Oh.
I think.
Yeah. I don't know if it's more discipline or just harder criteria.
I think it's a little both.
Maybe.
Alright, time to go to bed. Figured there's my 15 minutes.
Is that your payout?
I think so, yeah.
Woo! Oh, wow. We can lock in payouts on the same day? No way.
No way. That one was getting a little sketchy.
What was your entry?
I got in at like 13, I think.
My original entry would have been like 10. That one would have been close to stopping me at. And then when I didn't get in there and I was like, man, I should really get in here after it like pushed down and then came back up, it would have been like 6 or 7. And then
I know how I always like you can't be super confident. You never know where like how the market's gonna go. But I was literally sitting there like, damn, if I lose this trade, it's literally because I'm gonna get wicked out and it's gonna keep going up. Like that's what I think. I'm like, that's what sucks about just like having the 20 points because I was down. I was down like over like 10 points at one point.
I got you. Going to
So
try
it's
a
like-
prop firm when I blow this account. Dude,
You're
how
gonna blow
many cash accounts have you blown? I feel like cash accounts are scary to blow. Or realistically, I mean, it all depends on how much you load into it. But I mean, I don't think I would load in any cash account that has less than 10K in it, so I would not want to blow that. But I mean, I guess if you're just loading in like $200 at a time, then it's not as bad. But still. What prop firm are you gonna go to? I would suggest Apex because they have the cheapest.
Not right now. I think they're 70% right now.
Oh, oh yeah, that's a bad timing. Apex, if if Apex is like 80% off, I just buy one of those because it's only like $34 for the month, and then just trade small size, and then just try to
Well, that's the email.
figure out what you're gonna do.
Pay the activation fee.
Yeah, but based on what I've heard from him, it doesn't sound like he's passing an eval anytime soon.
Just tell him that he's shit.
That's from what he's told me. You gotta be real with them. You're not giving them fucking false hope.
Tell him fucking useless.
Dude, he fucking listens to what other people's opinions are while he's trading.
This is other people's opinions. He literally just gets in because fucking Tekis tells him to
That's
get
what
it.
I'm saying. Guy's a signal bot. Nice retrace off the 15-minute opening range playing Space War. That was quick.
What?
It says you're playing Space War.
Space War?
Yeah, that's what it said.
What the fuck is Space War?
You tell me you're playing it.
Well, I'm not playing Space War. I'm playing Schedule 1 game.
Maybe it just says that because you like fake downloaded
Illegally,
it.
yeah. That's weird.
I know. I'm sure Tekis will be happy to know that you're a drug dealer as well now.
That he will be. But my business is obviously gonna be.
Baby, please.
I'm gonna have to kill him.
I honestly hope this doesn't rip right here and pulls back and then goes, but we'll see. Jesus, Apple's fucking ripping. Alright, I could be getting interested. So I messaged this guy called Casper and he wants me to buy this thing to learn I may do it. That doesn't sound like a scam. Who is this? What is Casper?
Oh, do it.
What do you mean you messaged some guy? Like just some random dude? Good morning, Tekkas.
Yeah. Don't do it. It's stupid.
Don't pay for anything. Everything is on the internet for free. Just research. Tekkas, guess what game Johnny is playing right now? Just take a wild guess.
I'm selling drugs.
Name is Casper SMC. No. I literally saw a video on that. Look at the video like fucking Iman made on him. Or Iman or whatever the fuck his name is. Guy's like he's literally like a criminal. Like got caught up in like some criminal investigation and then like changed names and yeah. Pretty sure he's a dirtbag.
Gotta start making that bio piss. It's actually more fun than I thought. I thought it was gonna be stupid.
That's even better. Oh, this sucks. Is this gonna flag right at fucking 10 o'clock and I'm gonna have to sit out of it and then it's gonna shoot up? What's wrong with criminals?
Jack had a.
Oh, Jackie Boolin. Welcome. Criminals, if they're trying to scam Tyrone, then they're bad people. I'm waiting for news at 10. Yeah. I was thinking about taking this, but there was news right at 9:45 as well, and then I didn't take it. I mean, that would have been end of day. I would have secured my payout. Everything would have been great. Would have been great. Well, we're testing EMA on the 2-minute. Yeah, adults' jobs. Trader backtest. Did you say you're profitable? You said you were trading for 5 years. I don't think you answered. Or is that the subtle hint that you're not?
would hope if you've been trading since 2019, you're profitable.
Hear that? Johnny's calling you a retard if you're not profitable.
I'm just
It's
saying, I would hope
unfortunate.
after 6 years.
Who knows? Maybe he started 6 years ago and then took a couple of years off. You never know. Yeah, at this point, I'm waiting for jolts as well. What else is it? It's jolts. I am ISM manufacturing PMI. Reverse hack squats fucked me up. Sitting in my chair hurts. Reverse hack squats? I have a guess on what those are. How do you do a reverse hack squat? Let's see. I just did like I wasn't doing hamstring curls because I switched them out for like a hack squat, and then
Mine still hurt.
I was like, oh, I'll just like it's just gonna be hitting my hamstrings because I'm doing a hack squat, and then like I did a isolation hamstring curl machine the other day, and boy, my hammies were hurting yesterday. I trade full time from Portugal, brother. Actually went bankrupt halfway through my journey when I still lived in the UK. Got hacked in 2022 in my crypto wallet. Damn. Sounds like a fucking hoot. You
Get
only
a
trade
cold
crypto?
wallet.
Johnny has toothpicks for legs. Oh, Christ. Instead of facing that way.
Yeah,
Yeah,
well,
it
that's
says it
because no one
shifts-
cares about legs.
Which shifts the burn straight to your glutes and hamstrings, with giving your back some much needed love and support. Yeah, that doesn't look great. Hack squats soak.
No, legs are stupid. No one
Got
cares
the
about
most
legs.
fibers. Trader back test. Do you trade props like full time, or you trade your own cash account full time? Oh, here we go. Let's see this come up and rip right through this flag. Let's see it. Casper, no good? No. Watch this video. Let me see. Uh,
Don't buy any courses, honestly.
I mean, you can't. Yeah, there's two videos that Iman did. One 6 months ago, one 3 months ago. I would watch them. Can I send the link? I don't know how to send the links in chat.
Sure.
Here, let me try that.
You see it everywhere. The cars, the cool watches, the high-rise apartments, the cool cribs. Maybe you even saw it in my life.
Yeah, watch that video. I'm pretty sure he's I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure he's like some fake guru scammy guy. I would not buy any courses. Lexus admit I use them every day. Logic. Oh, 10 o'clock news, I missed it.
It's so much.
just started props this year and converted to futures this year. Got one Top Step, Apex, and my for the future right now. Still a bit sketch, but looks like they pay so far. Yeah, I mean, I don't. I haven't
been really
seen.
hearing about many prop firms that don't pay,
Yeah,
especially ones that've been out for a while, like Top
that's
Step,
the thing. Top
Apex.
Step's been out forever. Apex literally pays out like $20+ million a month, and my for the futures. I feel like I haven't heard anybody have any problems with. Wick City.
I literally
Jesus,
get my
yeah,
Fun of
it's
Futures
Wiki.
payouts in like less than an hour.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta switch. I've never fucking switched my bank account over. So if I do get paid out today, I'm gonna have to fucking resync up my new bank account with it. Whatever.
You can
Doesn't matter.
send it to your Coinbase immediately.
I can dollar cost average into Ethereum, even though I've been into it for 2 years. Feels bad.
Well, you can just send it to that, and then you can withdraw it from your Coinbase immediately.
Whatever. If I'm gonna have to link it at some point, anyways, I might as well. It doesn't really hurt if it's just sitting in my Rise. Actually, no, I think they do automatic. I don't think you have to go through Rise anymore, right? Didn't they change that recently?
Yeah, but I think they keep having like problems with it.
Maybe I will just go through Rise then. Still no trades so far, Tekkas? I feel like this is late for you. I feel like you're normally done by now, fucking selling good kush to the local criminals.
Yeah, you can join the squad.
How can I buy Rise? What?
Free.
What do you mean buy Rise? Rise is not something you buy. Rise is what you get.
Tyrone's just like take my money.
Yeah, literally. Tyrone is throwing his money. Tyrone, Rise is like a way of payment once you on My Fund of Futures when you request payouts. Because you couldn't get like automatic transfers right to your bank. You needed to get paid from you needed to set up a Rise account. I think there was another, or you could go straight to crypto. I'm pretty sure. Or actually, I don't know.
It's not crypto. It's just to Coinbase.
Could you go right to Coinbase from My Fund of Futures, or no? You have to go to Rise for My Fund of Futures.
You have to go to Rise.
I got you. Yeah, we're chopping in this 15-minute range here. I wish I'm fiending for it. No good setups today, not moving how I need it. Yep. We sit and we wait. I like to buy now.
Dude, this guy sucks.
What is your strategy, Tyrone? Do you have like a firm strategy, or you just like go all intuition based? Just seems like you're picking and choosing. I don't know, but no, I'm talking about Rise. What? What the fuck are you talking about? Rise is not something you buy. It's just something your money goes to when you request a payout. It's like a money transfer company. Yeah, exactly. Tekkas, does Top Step? What does Top Step do? Straight to bank, or do you have to go through Rise? I've never used them.
That's a good question.
Straight to bank, nice. Yeah, I decided I should get like an account just for trading, and I had my old account hooked up to Rise, so if I do get a payout today, that means I'm gonna have to go through and relink my bank account, which takes a couple days. But I can actually get a decent sized payout today if I win, so we'll see. kind of bear flag in here. But we're too choppy for me. I kind of want to get out of this 15-minute range, I think. I'm going for a 8K payout this week. Nice. I'm going for 3,600 in my funded futures between my 3 accounts, and then I'm going for probably like, what are these again? This bear flag's looking like it might have played out. Yeah. Yeah. Would that have played out? Yeah, it would have. I'm going for taking out $1,200 each out of these 3 my funded future accounts, the 51,800 ones. Technically, you'll need 51,200, but I made $800 in a day, so I need to get to 52,000. So, but 1,200 out of those 3, which is 3,600, and then if I make 400 in these, I'll take out until I'm at back to 52,100. So it's looking like at least like $700 per account. There's 4 accounts there, which is like 2,800. So 3,600 and 2,800. That'd be the goal. And if I win today, that means these next 4 will be 1 hour away. So that could be like another 2,800 if I win today and then win tomorrow. Big ifs. But any good OF accounts? OnlyFans? Yeah, what the fuck are you talking about? This guy literally will throw his money at anything. He's gonna throw his money at free porn when he can get it for free. What do you need to happen, Tekkas, for you to get an AK payout? You just need winning days, like you already have the money in your account and you just need a couple more winning days, or you still got some work to do, like growing the account. I just need another 750 on each account. Nice. I've asked this fucking 10 times probably. How many accounts do you have though? 5. Oh, you do have all 5. Okay. Is that new? I feel like you had less. Or maybe you had 5, but some of them were in the combine stage or something. Take a trade this AM? No, FFs. This one looked decent, but it was like right at 9:45 when it was breaking. I didn't want to get in. Johnny took this trade and won. He's done for the day. But I didn't take this. This didn't set up, and then this one I didn't like because we were just chopping in the middle of the 15-minute range still, but that bear flag would have worked as well.
Kid acts like I'm done for the day, like the grind don't stop.
Alright, shut up.
I gotta make all my money selling drugs.
Alright. Max for Top Step. After this payout, I'm going to start some Apex ones. Nice. Nothing for you either, trader? Back test? I just passed the fifth one like a week and a half ago. I got you. Did you take anything FFs or no? I feel like it's been a little bit of a choppy morning. Finally starting to break out of this 15-minute range. Maybe go sweep the lows of London? Or technically, I don't think that's London lows, but... What, these are London lows? I don't even know how that works. No, I'm still waiting. Nope, waiting for this range to break. Yep. No, 15-minute break, yeah. Maybe if this breaks down to like this pivot or down to like the 300s, comes back, retests, makes a flag, I can get short through the lows of the overnight session. Maybe something like that. Or if, I don't know if we're just going to sweep these and then go higher. oh, I feel like days when you just need the one day to get a payout, they're always your most hesitant days.
Yeah, try not to be.
Yeah, I know. So I'm hoping if something sets up, I just take it. But we will see. I have to say, trading on capital is a lot easier. A lot of unnatural rules here. I just think I'm so used
Not
to
when
it
you
that I
sit there and
don't
blow
think
your
it's.
accounts.
I don't think it's. Or yeah, just because I've traded for so long, I don't think the rules are so. But like, what rules really affect you, or like that you think are unnatural?
The risk is so much smaller though.
That's the thing. It's just like leverage. The amount of money you need to have in order to make the same you can on prop firms is crazy low, like crazy high. You need to have. It's like I can risk like $2,000 to $3,000 to get 20 accounts, and then if you make fucking 1% on that, that's 10K, right? Because you'd have $1,000,000 unfunded. You make 1%, that's 10K. The amount of like, as opposed to you having an actual $1,000,000 and making 1% to make 10K. I think the only rule that kind of sucks sometimes is the consistency rule, because it does like you do see people who are like, oh my god, I need to lose money because I made too much, or like, yeah, in my case with my fund and futures, I need to make a little bit more now because I had an $800 day. But I don't know if you know it going into it and you can just set your parameters to that. Like I like risking $400 a trade and trying to make $400 a trade. Like everything just falls into place for what I want to risk, anyways. Like if I were to trade, I trade this exactly how I would trade a cash account. That's why Top Step is nice. I heard Top Step was started to deny people or something like that, or they're not enjoying what people are doing because I guess like some people are like YOLOing right in the beginning of their XFAs and then like just flipping like $100 day or whatever you need, $100 days or $200 days, and then they can just get like a 5K payout. So I heard like they were having problems with that, so I didn't know if they were going to start coming in with a consistency rule. But I think that's why I like take profit trade. Like take profit traders is kind of the same boat. No consistency rule except in the combine. Well, it's a big wick that eats it up. We're definitely going down. Should short this right now, even though it's not part of the strat. But I know she's going down. I'll put this here.
Say put your piano there.
It's getting close. close for a second there. I was worried. But obviously I know where the market's going. Obviously I know we're fucking pushing down. It's going lower. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alrighty. And that's why I follow the strategy, because I would have been wrong, because I don't know anything. Ignore that. Guys, I have to leave. I will be back better for now. I'm done with this. Okay. Good luck.
Like,
Don't pay
good
for
trading.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what that means. Don't buy any fucking scammers dumb courses. Just sit there, look at the charts, realize what you see every day, and then base a strategy around that. I think that's so much easier than fucking picking a strategy that someone else uses, regardless if it works or not.
Did we just watch a man quit trading live?
When's your course coming out, Mike? Yeah, good one. Literally, you might as well. I see why everybody in the trading space is like, let's buy courses or let's sell courses, because the amount of saps that will pay for stuff is crazy. But they would be very disappointed when I'm like, oh, I have an EMA on here and I draw a fucking line and then I wait for it to push through the line. They'd be like, that's it? That's what I paid for? I'm like, yeah, and then there's some nuanced intuition that I can't teach you because it's just what I feel like entering or not. Or if I want to miss out on the trade because it doesn't look right. That's, I think, the main problem with courses. It's like, at the end of the day, you need, like, the intuition. Or, like, some context that, like, you can't put into a course. Like, where you're just like, oh, I don't like this because of this. Or I don't like... I'm not going to enter this one because of this reason. Not quitting, just passing the pain.
That's quitting.
What's the issue here? Like, I don't... You just got to follow a strict set of rules. I just feel like you didn't make any rules and you're just gambling out there. Why don't we want to flag? FFs, will you be my first customer? If I come out with a course, you'll buy it? I like gambling? Yeah, well, just go to the casino then and don't waste your time doing this. Don't like loss? Yeah. You gotta know that. Like, even, like,
You're gonna lose.
What are you trying to trade, Tyrone? Are you trying to trade 1-to-1s? Are you trying to trade 1-to-3s, 1-to-2s? Like, what are you trying to trade? They buy your course now, bro? I'm sure you would. Yes, I better be millionaire first week. Do I write that as a promise in the course description? I promise you, you'll make $1 million in your first year using this. Shit's cooked today. Time to cook meth. Wow. Tekka's quit his day job to cook meth. Yes, and just gaslight me when it doesn't happen. Yeah, it's your fault, you idiot. Obviously, I wouldn't take that trade. I took this trade, and then you just fucking screenshot something from your paper trading account. And I made $1 million. But yeah, Tyrone, what do you trade? Like, what is your risk parameters here? What are you trading? And if you can't describe it to me, then you're not trading. You're literally straight gambling. Like, do you have any parameters of rules whatsoever between risk or strategy or anything? Like, the expectation to just come in and make money is crazy. Just got 40 points. We call it a day. Good luck, Mike. Wow, just like that. Not too shabby. What is this move right here? 80. You're looking for a break of the lows. Damn, GG's. That was enough of a pullback for you to get in? Not me. But good work. If I blow a count, I can't refund for 1 month.
What?
Are you talking about prop firm? You can buy as many prop firms as accounts as you want, but if you blow, you shouldn't blow the account. You have $2,500 in drawdown, and you're just trying to learn, so you should just be sizing light. Just use like 1 or 2 micros. Set a daily loss limit for yourself, and it'll last you the whole month. If I blow a count, I can't refund for 1 month. That's your rule.
Unless you
Okay,
have-
yeah. What are your trading rules though? Do you have any or no? Like I don't even know if you can like how you have pain if you have no fucking trading rule. Like you're literally just going in there and gambling for no fucking reason. Like describe to me your actual rules or your risk like management rules. Buy low, sell highs rules.
Nice.
I hate that like um I think that's so misleading. That's what like everyone says buy low, sell high. I really like buy high, sell higher, which just means like follow the trend. Or what is it? Sell low, buy lower. Are we ripping all the way up to London highs now, Tekka, since we swept overnight lows? Or should I be looking for a bear flag here? Right in the middle of this gap. To BH, IDK, what's going on tonight? We might be pulling right back into the 15-minute opening range. Let's see. Maybe we retest off of it. Pulling back to the 2-minute EMA. Starting to think, Tyrone, that you don't have any sort of strategy because you don't seem to be answering. So I wouldn't even buy one account then because you're just wasting your money. Might as well just paper trade. If I see 3 bullish candles, I will see as 3 black crows. I think it is in now trying to use 20-point stop, 30-point, but close fast, lose full.
What?
Fuck does that mean? What is fucking you see as 3 black crows? So you see 3 green candles in a row and you enter? How often is 3 green candles in a row not met by a pullback? Like you're waiting for the whole move to push and then you get in? I don't know what the 3 black crows is. And now trying to use 20-point stop and 30-point. 20-point stop, 30-point. I'm assuming you mean 30-point take profit. But close fast, loose, full. Yeah, I don't know. It's like barely English. I don't know. I would set some stricter criteria than waiting for 3 bullish bars and then going, but you should set like how many trades you could take in a day and stuff. Or how much you're willing to lose. And then get good at walking away when you do lose and instead of sitting there and degenning and blowing accounts and going on tilt. What do you mean? No, don't fucking copy trade me. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I just have patience and discipline to wait for the same thing to set up every day, and I hope it hits my take profit. That's all that happens. That's all you need. Notice how I've sat here for an hour and haven't taken anything? Because I don't like anything.
Benji, my boy.
I like that, bro. Motivates me. I don't know what motivates you, but okay. Maybe we start to build out a flag here. Maybe we come down to like here or something. Don't tell me that, Tyrone. That's gay. He said, I had a great dream about you last night.
Nice.
That makes me want to stop streaming forever. I would have you call yourself gay because you're normally the guy who's calling people gay, but not in a gay way, bro. We made money. I don't know. Oh, Christ.
Have enough product.
Defo sounds a bit rainbow. I don't know what it's. Wow. Listen to that fucking back talk. You just got. Oh, he swept the high. Do we have a reversal here and I enter? Let's see. Or do we just keep pushing higher back into the zone? Could be interesting. Maybe we don't get it. Let's see.
Order submitted. Order filled.
There's beef in the chat.
I need this to push through. Oh no.
Did it not hit your stop, or did you just get in?
I just got in. It pulled back against me pretty instantaneously, which is never a good sign. Fuck.
Stop filled.
Fuck.
Stop filled.
Got that EMA bounce.
It's always on the days where you need the payout, where you need the one win.
You said it yesterday. You jinxed it.
No,
You said if I lose tomorrow, I'm gonna be so down bad.
Yeah, obviously. And obviously I'm going to lose. 'Cause that's what happens. Whenever you need it, you don't get it.
Nope, and then you're like, great, now I got a 2 hour setback.
Yep. Ugh. Two trades? No, right? Easy work. I mean, yeah, it's two trades, but two trades now, right? Easy work. Yeah, but I very rarely take two trades a day. So, I mean, if there's two good setups, I'll take them, but well, at least I was completely wrong. Maybe that was a little too steep of a line. Wow, I was wrong. I literally bottom tick that bitch. Not for today, but this week / next. No time get paid. Yeah, I hope so. Just demoralizing. Whenever you're right there, it is just such a bitch to lose. I mean, who knows? Maybe it'll give me a good flag setup or a good long setup. I don't know. I'll wait and see. I'll give it my allotted hour and a half of time.
I'll be right back.
Yep. You're in longs to equalize, Tuckers? So 63s. 62s, 63s. Like 40 points at least, depending on where you got in. You're on at 398. Oh shit. Nice. Good luck, good luck. Should be about 500. Well, we're gonna rip right to it. Ugh, I feel like literally whenever I'm down instantly, I should just fucking close the trade. Wow, we're gonna rip right to it. What a trade, Tekkas. You are the fucking high and mighty, dude. I mean, just fucking straight to TP. Good shit.
What is it?
I mean, Tekkas literally gets in and it's just insta TP. Just catches a fucking 50-point move in 4 minutes or something. Good trade.
Jesus, what is just a fucking spike?
Yep. If I got long right where I got short, I would not have seen an ounce of drawdown. Not a single tick. I would have bottom ticked it instantly from the 330s right 100 points higher. When you say, let me see, reject off the fair value gap, how did you, Tekkas, how did you, well, that's like pretty much equal house. Pretty close to. How did you, like, why don't you wait for it to get deeper into the fair value gap? Just like how did you bottom tick that here? As opposed to like here. Did you market buy or limit? Because with a give big like that, if it's gonna fill and go through it, the candle will be moving easily through it. Okay, I got you. Literally fucking bottom ticked it though. If this candle closes red, I would be interested in the flag to get long. But if it just shoots up right now, then it looks like I'm gonna miss it. We'll see. I don't know, actually, the EMA is so far behind. I did not realize. When doing these challenges, then, do you go normal speed or slower? I go fast through them because I think it's a waste of time to be on them if you know you can get payouts. So I just try to rip through them in like a day. If it's a like Apex, you can pass in a day, so I'll just YOLO the account and try to pass it in a day. But then once I have the funded, then I just take it nice and regular. It's a nice wick too. The EMA is just not caught up to it at all. I'm not taking it. Who knows? It might work out, but I don't want to get long way up here without the EMA. Sucks because it's such a good flag and it's right at the 15-minute. I want to get in line to London Hines. Yeah. We're relatively close. Well, looks like that flag would have paid off. That feels bad. That was my flag, but I didn't like how low it was. What makes this a flag? I don't know, that's like the definition of a bull flag. It's just like it makes a peak. Same thing happened here, it just never came up to push through it, but like makes a peak and then like starts to like push down or whatever, and then I like when it has like 2 touch points and then it came back up to it and then rips higher through it. I mean, that's like, this was a flag. came, like, pushes up, pulls back, hits it, comes back down, goes. This is a flag, just like a tighter one. Ugh. Longs to London. I knew you were getting in. I knew you were getting in, Tekkas. I knew you couldn't help yourself. On ES, you need like 10 points. I figured you would get in. Ugh. Sucks. I drew how many lines today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First one played out. Second one would never gave me a chance. Third one played out. Fourth one I entered and lost. Fifth one would have played out. So sucks. But I'm not getting anything in the next 7 minutes, so I'm just gonna call it. Good luck, Tekkas. I hope your long hits.
Did you not already cash out?
What's up?
Did you not already cash?
He did, and then he said he wanted longs to London on ES, so he got back in. Peace out.